CompostConnect. Our names are Ray Lee, Justin Tang, Aiden Chen, and Christine.
Where does our food go once it's thrown away? It ends up in landfills. As the food decomposes in landfills, they produce methane. Landfills produce 55 million tons of methane every year, contributing to global warming by trapping heat and accelerating climate change. But we can help change this. Composting is a simple yet effective way to reduce food waste. It transforms organic waste into valuable compost that enriches the soil, reduces methane emissions, and helps grow healthier plants. But how would I get a composting bin? What should I throw inside the bin? How do I maintain the compost pile? How do I start composting? It's simple. Download CompostConnect. CompostConnect, your guide to composting.
After you open our app, you can either choose to sign up or log in. To create an account, enter your username and password, and then click sign up. Then you will be taken to the homepage. You'll be met with 4 buttons. The first button, which is the composting guide, will give you a tutorial step-by-step on how to compost. You can use the next and back button to navigate.
The next button, called the Object Identifier, has 3 main buttons. The first one, the Take Picture button, allows the user to take a picture of any object and it'll classify it for them. In this case, we use an orange, and the program analyzes the orange as a compostable object. To use the next button, the Check Impact button, the user needs to input the object they desire into a text box above the button. Then they press the button and the program will identify the object as compostable or not compostable. The last button, the Speak Word button, has the same function as the other buttons, but when the user presses it, they need to speak the name of the object they want to identify.
Add locations using Add. When using the composting map, the user is shown a map of Boston, which will have markers that show all current public composting centers in the local area. The user can also add locations by typing in any addresses they want to show in a text box below the map and then pressing the Add Location button.
Next, let's look at the compost bin tracker. To create a new compost bin, enter the bin name and press the button Add New Bin. This will add the bin to the bin name list. Next, if you want to see the details of the bin, press the bin that you want to see, and it will display the bin info such as turning, watering, and harvesting. To set the temperature of the bin, press the Set Temp button and enter the temperature down below. Then after pressing the green Set Temperature button, it will update the temperature and give you a status based on how hot it is. Then press the Add Weight button to set the weight of your compost pile, and it will show you the amount of methane you have saved from the atmosphere. Lastly, to share your progress, press the Share button and select a social media app to send the message to.
Our app creates a social impact, improves community engagement, and we hope we can improve it in the future. Thank you.